Welcome back, my friends. Pull up a chair. You're just in time for weather here, and we got some snow in the forecast. Tomorrow is going to look a lot like this out there across the region, as we could see 2 to maybe 4 to 5 inches of snow by late tomorrow night. But temperatures now, we need cold to get snow, and we got cold. 32 degrees here at the airport under cloudy skies all day today. A east breeze here at 8, and the pressure is now steady, but an area of low pressure is moving our direction. Around the horn, you can see temperatures not too bad for late November, but we do need temperatures below freezing to get the cold and the snow, and we got that. 33 in Wausau, 34 in Arborvita. So generally in the low 30s here. They're going to drop about maybe another 3, 4, 5 degrees throughout the night tonight. We'll be in the upper 20s for most of us for a low. 7-day temperature trend shows a consistent theme here. Look at this, low, mid, upper 30s. Our average high is 34. We'll be hugging that or just above that by next weekend as we climb up near 40 maybe by the end of next weekend. Here comes the snow. Now a lot of this is not reaching the ground yet. Wherever you see the really light blue colors in here, that's called virga. It's coming out of the clouds, falling into a very dry air mass over us right now, and it's not quite reaching the ground yet, but this down here is, and that's moving in our direction for later on tonight. A closer look on the radar, you can see, yeah, all this down here is heavy rain in some spots here, moving into a very cold air mass up our direction. It's going to start snowing after midnight tonight, all because of this area of low pressure right there. It's a classic panhandle hook. It develops across the panhandles of Oklahoma and Texas, then takes a jet stream up towards Chicago. We'll be on the north side of that system with the cold air in place, brings us snow to our area. But we got some issues too. This high pressure is locked in place, and so is this low over New England. This is going to slow this system down tomorrow, and it could prolong our snow event into tomorrow night. This is our system for Friday. It's going to be a quick mover though, and it could bring us an inch or so of snow on Friday. So more on that later. But here's our track for tonight. Area of low pressure across the Midwest, moving towards Chicago. We'll be in the snow showers probably after midnight tonight. Futurecast has a really good grasp of this too. You can see here's 2 o'clock in the morning. The snow is just starting to come in our direction. It'll snow throughout the night tonight, into tomorrow morning, into tomorrow afternoon, and finally end sometime after 8, 9, 10 o'clock tomorrow evening. And for that reason, a winter weather advisory is in effect for all of us from 9 o'clock tonight through 9 o'clock tomorrow night for anywhere from 2 to 4, maybe even 5 inches of snow in some locations. So be careful driving. We look at a lot of different models here to kind of see how much snow we're going to get. So let's geek out here for a second. You can see all these models or spaghetti graphs are generally forecasting 2 up to 4.4 inches of snow across the region. So we're going to go with a 2 to 4 estimate across the Northwoods here. Less though, south of Highway 64, it's going to measure in with some snow and rain mix across that region as temperatures are slightly above freezing right now. So the big deal here is the snow in a moderate range here, but then sleet, not so much, maybe ending as some sleet late tomorrow night. Wind and cold, not so much of a problem for all of us. Your forecast for tonight, a low of 29. A winter weather advisory kicks in at 9 p.m. For tomorrow, it's going to be windy a little bit in the afternoon, and then also some snow showers. The high of 34 with that winter weather advisory in effect. Then take a look at your 7-day forecast brought to you by Northwoods Furniture Gallery. We're going to dry out just in time for Turkey Day on Thursday, and that quick moving system will come in on Friday with another chance for a light snow on Friday before finally clearing out again for the early part of the weekend. Lane?